Welcome to Inspire You Today, your online sanctuary for positivity, mindfulness, and self-growth. Here at Inspire You Today, we believe in the transformative power of the mind and its capacity to shape our reality. We're here to provide you with the tools you need to harness that power and unlock your full potential. One such tool is meditation, a practice as old as time, yet as relevant today as ever. It's like a mental gym workout, strengthening your mind's muscles for positivity, gratitude, and balance. It's the perfect antidote to the stress and negativity that can sometimes cloud our days. Our video today will guide you through a 5-minute morning meditation, designed to jumpstart your day with positivity and gratitude. It's a small investment of time that pays big dividends in the journey towards self-growth and mindfulness. If you find value in our content, don't hesitate to subscribe, like, and comment. Your interaction fuels our commitment to keep producing helpful and inspiring content. Starting your day with meditation can set a positive tone for the rest of your day. Picture this. You wake up, and instead of reaching for your phone or thinking about your to-do list, you take a few moments to center yourself. You breathe deeply, focusing your mind and calming your spirit. This simple act of morning meditation can have profound effects on your day. It can boost your focus, making you more productive at work or school. It can reduce your stress levels, helping you navigate the challenges of your day with grace and calm. And perhaps, most importantly, it can enhance your positivity, infusing your day with a sense of joy and gratitude. By incorporating this practice into your daily routine, you can greatly improve your overall quality of life. You'll find yourself feeling more balanced, more at peace, and more in tune with yourself and the world around you. So, are you ready to start your day on a positive note? Let's dive into our 10-minute guided morning meditation. Before we start, find a comfortable space where you can sit or lie down without being disturbed. This could be a cozy corner in your living room, a quiet spot in your garden, or even your bed. The key is to ensure that you won't be interrupted during this time of quiet reflection and self-discovery. Once you've found your haven, settle into a position that feels organic and comfortable to you. This could be sitting cross-legged, lying flat on your back, or any other posture where you feel at ease. The goal here is not to strain or force anything, but to ease into a state of physical relaxation and openness. Now, gently close your eyes and take a few deep, mindful breaths. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs with fresh, invigorating air. Exhale slowly, releasing any tension or stress that you may be holding onto. Feel your body relax further with each exhale as if you're sinking deeper into a state of serene tranquility. You're now ready to embark on this journey of mindfulness and gratitude. Begin by focusing on your breath. Feel it as it enters and leaves your body. As you inhale, envision the breath as a gentle, nurturing energy entering your body, filling you with tranquility and peace. As you exhale, visualize any tension, stress, or negativity leaving your body, making room for positivity and gratitude. Now, shift your attention to your body. Start from the crown of your head and slowly move down to your toes. Take note of any tension or discomfort, and as you exhale, imagine releasing it, letting it flow away from you. Each breath you take is an opportunity for renewal, a chance to replace the old with the new, the negative with the positive. As you continue to breathe, begin to visualize a bright, warm light enveloping your body. This light represents positive energy, warmth, and love. Let it wash over you, soaking into every cell, every fiber of your being. Feel its warmth, its brightness, its soothing energy. Let it ignite a spark of gratitude within you, a deep appreciation for the miracle of life, the beauty of existence. Now let's focus on cultivating this feeling of gratitude. Think of something or someone you are deeply grateful for. It could be anything. The warmth of the sun on your skin, the sweet scent of flowers in bloom, the love and support of a dear friend or family member. Hold this image in your mind, let it fill your heart with warmth and joy. Take a moment to bask in this feeling of gratitude, let it envelop you, let it radiate from you. Feel it as a tangible energy, a force that is both within you and around you. It is a beacon, a source of light and love that you can tap into at any time. Now let's channel this positive energy and gratitude outward. Imagine this energy radiating from you, reaching out to touch the lives of those around you. Picture it as a ripple in a pond, spreading outwards, touching and positively influencing everything it comes into contact with. As you continue to breathe, take a moment to reflect on this experience. Notice how your body feels, how your mind feels. Do you feel lighter, more at peace? This is the power of positive energy and gratitude. It is a force that can transform your life, bringing you joy, peace, and fulfillment. Now let's bring this meditation to a close. Take a few more deep, mindful breaths. Feel the rise and fall of your chest, the warmth of your breath as it leaves your body. As you open your eyes, take a moment to appreciate the world around you, the beauty of life. Carry this feeling with you, let it guide you throughout your day. Remember, you have the power to cultivate positive energy and gratitude in your life. It begins with a single breath, a single thought. It is a practice, a journey, and you have taken the first step. As we come to the end of this meditation, carry this feeling of positivity and gratitude with you throughout your day. Remember, each breath is an opportunity for renewal, each moment a chance to cultivate positivity and gratitude. Keep this light within you. Let it guide you, let it inspire you. You are a beacon of positivity and gratitude, a source of light and love in the world. Go forth and shine your light. Thank you for sharing this journey with me. Congratulations on completing this guided morning meditation. You've just invested 10 precious minutes of your day into cultivating positive energy and gratitude, a decision that will ripple out to influence the rest of your day, your week, and even your life. Remember, the beauty of meditation is that its effects are cumulative. The more you practice, the more you stand to gain. It's like watering a plant. You don't see the growth immediately, but with consistent care, it thrives. Just as the sun rises each day, bringing with it a promise of renewal, each morning meditation is an opportunity to reset, to let go of the past and embrace the present. Whether you've been meditating for years, or this is your first foray into the practice, every session is a step forward. We're all on this journey together, and we'd love to hear from you. Did you feel a sense of calm wash over you? Did you notice any shifts in your mood or thoughts throughout the day? Your experiences are valuable, not just to you, but to everyone in this community. So don't hesitate to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, show us some love by hitting the like button. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to the channel. Why subscribe, you might ask? Well, subscribing is your ticket to a wealth of content aimed at inspiring you, guiding you, and providing you with the tools you need to lead a more fulfilled life. So don't miss out. Thank you for joining us today on Inspire You Today. Remember, each new day is a fresh start, a chance to imbue your life with positivity and gratitude. Until next time, stay inspired. Stay